Hello folks, this is Margie Roy from 3dcuts.com, and today I am doing the tutorial on the lamp post that I designed to go with Ledge Village. There are a lot of buildings in Ledge Village, and this is a new accessory that you can add to it. I've also added a bow for the Christmas season. It is designed to go with fairy lights. You can use either the 20 string, like this one here, or the 50 string, depending on how many you're going to be making. These will fit up inside them. I will show you how in a few minutes. To get started, you're going to have to add wax paper to the openings of the upper part of the light. Wax paper does not cut particularly well, so I do that by hand. I've made a little template that's part of the pattern. Use that, take a pencil, and trace it onto wax paper. I have folded this twice so that I have 4 layers at once. There are 4 for each light. Then carefully cut along the line that you scratched into the wax paper. Like so. To assemble these, I'm going to use art glitter glue. I have transferred it into this little container with the tiny tip. There's a link to this in the tutorial. I find this by far the best wet glue to use with cardstock. On each of these, I'm going to lightly outline the upper area with just a little bit of glue. Then I will take one of the wax paper coverings and I will glue it right on there and put it aside to dry. I will do that on all 4 parts to each lamp post. There, that's done. I'm now going to take each of the lampposts, and you will notice that there are dotted score lines, 2 of them on each post. I am going to fold on those away from the side that I just applied the wax paper to. Like so. Repeat that on all 4 pieces. Okay, all 4 of my lamp posts are now folded. I am going to take one of them, and on the back side, the side that has the wax paper on it, I am going to put glue on one of the sides. I am not going to put it across the top here. I'm only going to put it on that side there. And then I'm going to take another one, line up the edges, and glue them together. Art glitter glue dries in about, well, it's tacky in about 4 seconds. So I put it on and count to 4, and by then it's pretty secure and holding. I'm going to repeat this on each of the sides, remembering not to put it across the top one, just down the side here. And here I am gluing in the last and 4th one. I do both sides for that. And I continue squeezing things together to make sure they hold, especially up there on the top. Okay, you'll see that there's a channel there in the center, and the light is going to be threaded up through that. We don't want the light to shine out through the top, so I have this little cross piece. Fold that, all of the 4 sides go up like so. I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to put glue down about 1/4 of an inch in the top here, all the way around on all 4 sides. I am then going to take this and insert it in there. The tops will spread out a little bit to hold it. It goes down in between the two, and I push it down a little bit and then squeeze it into place. Okay, here's my lamp post. If I were going to put the electricity into it now, I would get the tea lights. They slide right up in here into the area that has the wax paper, and then they shine through the wax paper. If you're going to do a series of them, you would put that up the first one, then you would go over and you would fold them back onto themselves like this, and it will still fit up inside here. The ones that are not in the light, you will have to put under some sort of base to hide the ones that you're not going to be using in a light. You can also make it Christmassy. I have a bow with a little center. Glue the center on like so. Curl it out a little bit. Put glue onto the sides here. And fit that right into the light on one side. Hold it for the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when the glue dries, it will dry clear. This will be a great addition to Ledge Village. I designed these lamp posts to go in this Christmas Eve shadow box that uses a Ledge Village house. The files for making this are also available at my website, and there's an additional tutorial to help with the assembly. Go to my website at 3dcuts.com and look at the links for Ledge Village to see all of the different buildings and other accessories you can make for Ledge Village. Happy crafting, everyone.